welcome participate this seminar. On behalf of the Sinotech engineering groups, I would like to welcome all of you and hope that you can enjoy this seminar.
On behalf of the Director of Ecological Engineering Research Center, NTU, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the workshop on river flood warning and simulation technology between Taiwan and Japan.
Distinguished participants and friends, it's my great pleasure to introduce to you our new book.
Thank you for inviting me to this workshop. It is a great pleasure for me to meet again with all members in Taiwan.
Thank you, the chairman, Shen Bao-sun, Professor T.J. Chan, and Professor Yu, and all the distinguished professors and guests. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
We are here today to talk about the river flood warning and simulation technology, and a very important subject that has big effects on our community. According to the conference agenda, the speakers in the afternoon will focus on the theoretical and numerical simulation assessment.
Here I'm going to introduce our research. Is the development and application of an efficient river flood modeling based on a cellular automata framework. I'm Dr. Xiaolin. I'm Dr. Yu Xiaolin, and also by Dr. Wang Jiahe and Professor Zhang Changrong from the National Taiwan University.
And my talks online include 4 parts. And the first one is I will give a very basic knowledge about SPH, and the total name is smooth particle hydrodynamics. So I assume all of you nobody know SPH. So I will give some very basic theory.
And as you know, the hydrological and the geological condition in Taiwan is very similar to Japan. It means we both have the climate change, the earthquake, the flash flood, and also the sedimentation inside the reservoir.
It's very nice to see you again because today is Saturday.
Thank you for kind introduction. Today, I am very happy to have a chance to have opportunity to conduct this kind of iRIC training session. Today, I will talk about basic flood inundation analysis using a nice 2D flood, one model in iRIC software.